Hi viewers, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to be look into that one of the scenario that would be like so we have a data a subcategory wise cell. Suppose let me show you that some sample report. Based on that, I will specify the requirement. So select start from stores. I can mention it. Okay, from the source table, we are taking entire data. So from this, I want to be consider subcategory. Suppose I have uh, subcategory. Okay, comma sum of sales. I have a subcategory and the sum of sales. So group by subcategory, we can take it. So let's take the group by subcategory. Okay. So let me show you that we consider that this is a total sales. Okay, we can consider it as a total sales. So when I have a data like this, each subcategory wise sales. So we need to be specify that where my sales is less than 1 lakh for the different subcategories where sales is less than 1 lakh. I want to specify that the sales was low. Okay, the sales was low. And whereas my sales is in between 1 lakh to 2 lakh. So the sales is medium or average. Where my sales is greater than 2 lakh, I want to specify that it was good sales. The subcategory sales was good. So I want to differentiate, specify that status of that. How was the sales status? It's medium, average, or low. I want to specify that. So how can we write a SQL statement to create a new column? We can create a new column and specify the status of the each and every subcategory sales. So for that, what we can write it? Just go for take this as sales. Okay, I have this data, this simple statement where we have the subcategory wise total sales. So now I want to be get that another column which can be specified that the sales is less than 1 lakh. I want to specify that it's a low. Where sales between 1 lakh to 2 lakh, I want to be represent that in uh, average sales. Okay, where its sales is greater than 2 lakh, I want to say that the subcategory sales was good. So how can we achieve this requirement? So for that, just I will keep this as into the CTE with CTE. I can close as and keep it as close here. Okay, for the subcategory also I can make it as S category. Okay, the alias name is S category. So now let me run this. Okay, it's fine. Now on top of it, what I will do is I will write a SQL statement like this. So select S category. Okay, I'm taking the S category, comma, total underscore sales, right? From CT. From CT, I can take it as. Let's execute this. So we are getting the same values, right? Now, here I can create one more column. Here I can create one more column, which can give us the status of it. So for that, generally we can write the case statement. In the case statement in the SQL, we can write case when, suppose we can specify that when, so your expression, whatever the expression you want to write it, we can write the expression. It's greater than, I want the expression, like what is the sales, suppose sales, right? Total underscore sales greater than, less than, right? Less than 1 lakh. Okay, less than 1 lakh. Then I want to specify it. Generally, it will allow only single quotations, low. All right, case when total sales is less than 1 lakh, then low. All right. And one more when condition we can write it. This is all come to the single column only. That's why when single case we can write the multiple condition. Well, sales is greater than 1 lakh and total underscore sales less than 2 lakh. Okay. Somewhere, anywhere you can mention it less than or equal to 1 lakh and it's greater than 1 lakh and less than or equal to 2 lakh. 2 lakh and 2 lakh below. Okay. In this case, I can write it. It's median. Right. So one more when else also you can write it or you can write the one more condition also. Anything is fine. Sales. If the both the conditions are getting failed, then it would be the greater than 2 lakhs only. Okay, you can simply write the else statement or you can mention sales is greater than 2 lakh. Then I want to specify that sales is high. Okay, in the last we can mention that end. The statement is end. So this case statement I can write before the from CT control X, and as enter the statement I can call it as status of sales. Okay, and from CT I can take it as. All right. So now you can see this entire case statement is a one column. That the column name is we can calling as status sales. Sales status, whatever it may be. You can make it as control X sales underscore status. Sales status. Right. So let me execute this entire statement. Execute it. Now you can see here wherever the which particular subcategory sales is less than 1 lakh, it's 46,725 low. And we have the 2 lakhs 24,000, it's high. 3 lakhs 31,000 high. And where 85, 32, it's low. So on top of it, if you want to be particularly specified, so once you created the status a column, if you want to filter your data, so where I want to show that only where sales underscore status is equal to, you can mention high. So the subcategory sales is greater than 2 lakhs, where that sales is status is showing high, only those columns we can get into display here. Okay, let me go for execute this. So it's getting error because sales status is the alias name, right? You need to mention this entire calculation case statement. Okay, so otherwise we can call it in the next CT. Okay, keep it where here. Delete this. Put it. And the bracket you can mention this. Okay. So let's execute this entire. Excuse me. Sorry. Now you can easily get that a different status. So sales status high, only the sales are greater than 2 lakhs. Those we can get display here. All right. If you want to get only low, then go for selected low here. The whose subcategory sales is low, those are all we can get displayed here. All right. So we can filter based on that column. So this is the way we can go for write the case statements and a status column we can create it. On top of it, we can filter the data. Okay. So that's all about this video. If you like this video and is it useful, please subscribe my channel and share this channel to your friends and family members and ask them to be follow it. Thank you. We'll catch you with a new video with a new scenario. Thank you. Bye-bye.